Good morning, 3GD. Here's your maths lesson for today. Week 4, lesson 2. You're going to need those cards again or your dominoes, but today we're going to be subtracting. Again, see how quick you can be. How many can you do in a minute? And then try it again and see if you can beat the score. Don't forget though that with subtraction, put your biggest number first. So don't do 1 take away 3, do 3 take away 1. To stretch yourself a little bit more, why not use 2 dominoes and mix up your addition and subtraction? Find the total of one domino and take away or subtract the total of the other domino. So this will be 6, take away 4, the answer's 2. How many can you do in a minute like that? Before I forget, have you had a go at your Times Tables Rockstars today? And can I also remind you about the Century Tech? There are some really good maths things on there. Have a go at the fractions bits if you can. Do the diagnostic test. Give it a try, don't be shy. And then try some of the exercises to go with fractions. I'd like you just to chant out the 8 times table now. It's a tricky one. So we start at 0. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. You carry on. Ten 8s are 80. Now just chant the numbers. 8, 16. Now, using those facts, on your square paper, can you write down the 80 times table like this? Go all the way down to 10 times 80. Now, I'm going to show you a screen and you'll need to freeze it and see how many of the sums you can write down on your square paper, and the answers of course, in 5 minutes. If you can do it in less, brilliant. Here are your questions then. Get that timer set, 5 minutes. Ready, steady, go. How did you do? Lots of easy ones down at the bottom, but you could have used known facts for these trickier ones. 4 3s are 12, so 4 30s, put that 0 on the end, must be 120. What about 20 times 4 though? I don't think I would have done it that way round. I think I would have done 4 times 20, because remember, multiplication is commutative, like addition. And I know 4 2s are 8, so 4 20s are 80. Now let's get really clever. If you wanted to do this, some of the facts you just worked out should be able to help you. Which facts would help you work out 5 times 27 on the screen? What can you see there that would help? Well, you've got your 20 times 5. Remember what that was? And look, you did your 7 5s here, which was 35. And you can record it like this, like we did yesterday. Recombine and it gives you 135. So you're using your known multiplication facts to help you work out these trickier ones. I think it's such a cool way. I really do wish I'd been taught this at school. Let's try and use some of the multiplication facts we've already found out the answers to help us work this one out. 4 times 28. Which facts can we use? I can't see 4 times 20 there, but I can see 20 times 4, and we know that will give us the same answer. Let's look at the next screen. The answer was 80. We now need to work out 4 8s, but that wasn't there either. But look, 8 4s were. And we know multiplication is commutative. You can do it in any order, so you get the same answer, 32. There we have it. And we need to add it together. 80 and 20 gives you 100, but we need 10 more, so that's 110. And then we need the 2 units, so that's 112. Right, let's save you keep drawing those grids. Have a look at this now. Should be in your pack, and there's a copy in the emergency folder if you need it. It's going to help you work out some questions on the next bit that I show you. So you also need to find this in your pack, and I'd like everybody to have a go at questions 1 to 8. Lots of you should be go up to number 12. And if you're really keen and want some extension, try and get up to question 17. What will your answers be for that one? That'll be interesting. Take a look at your answers again here, and one of them should be able to help you work out a division sum. Now this is what you're trying to work out. Don't panic. Remember that division is the inverse or the opposite of multiplication. So one of those multiplication facts will help you work this out. So what's the inverse of 112 divided by 4? Basically, we're trying to think how many 4s there are in 112. Can you spot the multiplication sum that should have helped you? Number 14. There are 28 4s in 112. Think about this one now. How many 4s in 144? Think about the number families. Which multiplication fact helps you with that division sum? Just look for the same numbers. Those are 144, a 4 and a 36. Yay! Here's the number fact family. Which multiplication sum would help you with this one? Give it a go. Well done, Year 3. Another good job done. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.